Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with an unboxing video of the NUU G3, new as in NUU. This is their flagship model device for 2018. They've got a G4 coming out soon, but this one is the best and the brightest they have now, other than the Plus model, which is a little bit bigger. Now, it's running Android 8.0 Oreo. It's got a MediaTek P25 processor in it. It's octa-core, clocked at 2.39 gigahertz. Comes in several different colors, blue, black. They've got a tiger eye color one, and then they've got this fancy red one, which I was super interested in, and I'm grateful that they sent it out to me. So it's kind of a budget phone. It does have a little bit better specs than some of your other lower tier budget phones, but at the end of the day, it looks classy. You really wouldn't question it if you're looking at it out in public. Really, it just looks like a sharp phone, especially with this cool red color that they had. I had to go with the red. Now let's go ahead and take it out of the box and we'll talk about it some more. So here we go. This is the G3. So we can see right here, it's got a little outline on the back on the sticker. It's dual SIM, GSM unlocked, so you're good to go there. You can put SIM 1 or SIM 2. It shows you how to stack them in there, which is nice. Also has SD card support. On the front here, like I said, MediaTek 2.39 gigahertz octa-core processor. That's that MediaTek Helio P25. We got a 5.7-inch screen with an 18:9 aspect ratio, which they call HD Plus because it's 720 by 1440. So it's kind of this elongated screen resolution and display that it has. 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's got 64 gigabytes of onboard storage, which is really nice. It's got a fingerprint scanner on the back, and then it has a dual camera setup on the back, so you get a 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel together, and then on the front you also have a 13 megapixel camera. So it's a really sharp looking phone. Over here on the side, of course, we've got our volume rockers and our power button all on the same side, which I like. I don't like having the other stuff over on the other side for me to accidentally hit, kind of like the Bixby button. But it seems like they kind of emulated the S8, S8 Plus a little bit with this design. You can see, I guess these are the antenna bands here on the top. Very similar to what the S8 and S8 Plus look like on top. I'll get this to zoom in properly. Got the new mobile logo on the back here. Here's our fingerprint sensor, our dual vertically stacked cameras with the LED flash, so super nice. Got the speaker opening down here on the bottom. It doesn't say anything about dual speakers, so I'm assuming the one on the right is the speaker. And then you've got the USB-C connector there, so you can charge up your phone. It's got a 3,000 milliamp battery, which is certainly adequate for what it does. Alright, so let's see what we got in the box. We got our documentation here, getting started with the G3. Oh, it comes with a case. That's nice. So you don't have to worry about getting your phone scratched up straight out of the box. You can go ahead and toss this on there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Take the sticker off the back so we can get a nice clean look at it. There we go. It's really, really nice looking. I mean, I really like this red color. It reminds me a lot of the HTC U11 whenever it came out with their sapphire red color. So I like that. Fits on there nicely. It's just a nice, cheap little TPU case, so you don't have to worry about scratching your phone. Let's go ahead and take this off. If you look at that display, that HD Plus 720 by 1440. Looks like we have a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack dongle here, so you can plug your headphones in. So no headphone jack on this one, but you can use the dongle. Got our charging brick. I wonder if it says what it's rated at. Let's see if we can see that. 5 volts, 2 amps, so basic quick charge. Let's see what else is in the box. And we have here USB-C cable. And then we have a SIM ejection tool. So no earphones with this one. That's quite alright. So a little bit more about it. It can record at 1080p, which is nice. Like I said, it's got the dual SIM capability, so it's dual SIM unlocked for 4G LTE. Also has NFC, so that's nice. You can use your Android Pay if you want to use any of that cool stuff. And it supports micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes of storage. So you've got your 64 gigabytes on board, and then you can throw an extra 128 in there if you feel so inclined. But not too bad. I mean, on their website they have it advertised $199, which is seems like a decent deal for this. I messed around with some of the MediaTek Helio processors before, and they're very formidable, especially for what they do. And the 720p category, HD+, you shouldn't have any problems with this. You should be able to do pretty much whatever you want. I'm going to do a full review of this phone, but I did want to go ahead and do the unboxing video so I can go ahead and start playing around with it, put it through its paces, test it out, and get the review process started. But of course, I always like to be able to do the unboxing so you can see, hey, here's the brand new phone, here's a little bit about it, look at it, see how shiny it is, and it's certainly shiny. I'm really digging this color. So super cool, and it's time to get to work. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comments section. I will get back with you. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.